Hello everyone. Honestly, I was not expecting this video to happen. Yesterday, YouTube took both of my channels down, and I was mentally prepared to lose them forever. It was a weird 24 hours I went through. I felt a bit sad things have ended so abruptly, and I felt anxious as if there was a hole in my soul I couldn't replenish. 9 years of work, 9 years of content, mainly of me learning throughout the process and making more and more unhinged videos every single time. YouTube is a thing I'll be certainly coming back to when I'm on my deathbed. It is a creative outlet I really don't want to lose. It's a beautiful community that gives so much back to me every time I upload. I really enjoy scrolling through the comments under my videos, replying, hearting them when I'm bored. My channel is definitely something personal, it's like a child. It baffles me how easy it can be killed by AI misjudgment, and how difficult it is to prove your innocence, because you're algorithmically guilty by default. I am making this video to commemorate the team effort that brought this channel back to life. I've never seen the tech community so united. My voice has finally been heard. The fight from 2023 when I almost got terminated and I wasn't heard really made me believe I'm not recovering the channel. And thankfully I was proven wrong. However, while we won a fight, this is a systematic issue. What you saw happen to my channel live is a rule rather than an exception. Everyone at any point can get banned without a chance to appeal. Had I not been this popular, I would not be able to recover this channel. There is no chance, no shot whatsoever. Had the Twitter algorithm betrayed me, I would not be talking to you right now. This is a Russian roulette where the revolver is completely loaded and it's only a question of time when you get shot, especially when you're a smaller creator. The problem is I'm not the only one, but we together are alone against the AI system. It's hard for me to say, but we still are at the mercy of AI. We can't do anything about this on a scale, even when we all unite. I'm not the first to get falsely terminated, and I'm not the last to get falsely terminated either. Far too many people were terminated. Whenever the platform allows AI to ruin people's lives, it's the point of no return. I'm telling you, YouTube is not sustainable. Do not drop out to pursue this career. Do not make this your main source of income. It's completely unstable and at any point in time you can get your lifeline cut. Diversify your income streams. Don't just focus on YouTube. It's the biggest mistake a teenager can make. Content creation is a side hustle at best. And thankfully my wise parents saved my life because I genuinely thought about making YouTube my full-time job and they talked me out of it. I want to dedicate this video to everyone who supported me. Every single person that left a comment, that spread the word. I've seen all of you in my Discord, I've seen you on Twitter, I've seen you guys on Telegram. I'm not much different than you. Except I have a little bit more experience in this field and I happen to make videos about it. It's very humbling to see how many people gathered around me and made my voice heard by other creators. I want to specifically thank creators that came out and helped me as well. You guys probably know most of them, so they need no introduction. Some ordinary gamers.
I wish it was clickbait. I really wish this wasn't a reality. But a channel known as Enderman, who basically is a educational channel about, computer malware. Now, this channel got completely shut down. This page isn't available. Sorry about that. Try searching for something else.
Moist Critical.
This patient zero was a YouTuber named Enderman, who is a tech channel.
The reason being, my secondary channel has been terminated off of YouTube, as you can see.
If we look at what Enderman has provided here, the reason for the termination here is this linked channel, which is a Japanese channel that is in no way actually associated with Enderman at all. It feels like it's a big old boo-boo here from the AI moderation tools.
Michael MJD. Bringus. Eric Parker.
Hello everybody, my name is Eric. Today we're going to be talking about the Enderman situation and YouTube's completely broken, terrible, disgraceful policy system as well.
Theo Joe, Hrutke Mods.
Enderman posted that this was probably the last video he was ever uploading because it was just a matter of time before YouTube took him down.
Windows on Windows, CS188, and TDev, DOSDude1. There may be more creators I forgot to add to the list, but it was a true team effort spanning tens of thousands of people. It is truly amazing what we have done here. But the fight isn't over because so many people are still unjustly terminated. There are far too many people sharing my fate. This termination problem is so much bigger than it looks. And I didn't even mention video takedowns. But if we are talking about video takedowns, I still have 4 videos that were taken down wrongfully. Activating Windows with ChatGPT. I'll not repeat myself, I'll let 2023 me explain why the takedown is unjustified. May 23rd, 2023, YouTube took down one of the most fan-favorite projects that even made it into mainstream media for the first time in my life, called Activating Windows with ChatGPT. Yes, if you've ever wondered why that video no longer exists on YouTube, YouTube took it down. Content that shows viewers how to gain unauthorized free access to audio content, audio-visual content, full video games, software, or streaming services that normally require payment is not allowed. So my video depicts a Windows 95 key generation algorithm that I feed to ChatGPT in order to generate a valid Windows 95 key. Let's start with the fact that Windows 95 is abandonware. It's 28 years old and Microsoft doesn't give a single shit. They discontinued that operating system 22 years ago. Since then, the Windows 95 key algorithm is public knowledge, and there are a bunch of videos on YouTube that even show reversal of the Windows 95 licensing manager in order to extract the algorithm. Activating Windows 11 with ChatGPT. That video is also still taken down, and I still have a warning on my channel, despite this video having 2 disclaimers, one at the beginning of the video and another in the description. The reason why it's wrongfully taken down is because all the keys ChatGPT generates are public and available on the Microsoft website. These are generic keys and they don't actually activate your system. You use them to upgrade between editions. For all the smooth brains out there that argued, actually you deserve this takedown because you're promoting piracy, shut the fuck up. You haven't even watched the video, have you? I've seen a couple brain dead takes like that both on Twitter and YouTube. And besides, activating Windows 11 with ChatGPT was taken down once, and it was reinstated after an appeal. So what's stopping YouTube from reinstating the video one more time? Don't use download.com is another video that's been taken down for so long. It's a video where I show you should not trust a website called download.com because there are malicious advertisements and bad software. How is that harmful and dangerous, you might ask? I have no idea. How much malware can you get from link shorteners is the final video I want back on this channel. It's been taken down long ago for, guess what? Harmful and dangerous policy, of course, my favorite. It's a video where I browse YouTube and click random links. I get the virtual machine infected with malware because shortened links are often used to serve malware. And I guess I'm not allowed to show how bad the situation is with that. Even after my channel was reinstated, I contacted Team YouTube on Twitter in DMs and they responded to me. We heard back from the policy specialists who reviewed the 4 videos, and they confirmed they will remain down. We know this is frustrating news, but the reason is that these videos include instructions on how to bypass payment for content or services, which isn't permitted on YouTube. Thank you so much for understanding and here for you if anything else comes up. Now, I really don't understand how the don't use download.com video violates this policy, and I think it's just a generic copy-paste I received again. So nothing has changed. The only correct way to do YouTube nowadays is to scale and decentralize your work. What I mean by this is that you're supposed to create a ton of channels, regularly producing content, earning you semi-passive income. It all comes down to money. The most efficient way to do YouTube is to own a network of channels that uploads the same thing over and over and over again. You can see this trend with Minecraft YouTubers. The idea is to optimize videos, make their cost lower and lower, using AI tools and whatnot, up to the point you can manage 5 channels simultaneously. The keywords are also important to target so your channel comes up first in search and beats everyone else. All of it is optimized slop. Not everyone can do it, granted it's hard work, but it's more of a question of respect to your craft. It boils down to the following question: do you want safe passive income, Or do you want to enjoy your hobby? And enjoying the hobby YouTube taketh away. Owning the channel is not enough in 2025. You need to own a media empire, a multi-channel network that transcends the usual definition of being a YouTube creator. This is the only way towards sustenance. You could say it's the Mr. Beast formula. While smaller creators will continue getting treated like shit. Get up, baby, it's 2025. It's the age of AI and the age of creators being the product, not just the viewers. But let me tell you what, your fame is temporary, but what you've actually contributed to the society matters the most. Thank you for watching. I really hope this atrocity doesn't happen again. We need people unbanned, and we need humans like us to review our videos. Take care.